So guys, we have here a 2024 RS Equinox. I'm gonna show you how to remove your front bumper. For one, there's torque 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 torques 15 that you have to remove on the top of the bumper. This is where the grill is. You can use either electric, cordless, or manual torque 50. So in the bottom of the bumper, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, 5, 3 out, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's 10, 7 mil. You can use either manual again, or you can just use your deep socket or shallow socket 7 mil. On the sides of your vehicle, there's a T15 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T15 that you have to remove. So whatever I do in the driver's side, you have to do it on the passenger side too. And then once you remove the T15, there's 1 7 mil inside here. So you have to remove the wheel liner partially, so you can have an access on your 7 mil down here. T15 or 15 right there. You can use manually, just push your tires and use it. Quarter-inch swivel, 7 mil short, deep socket, pull it out, one right there, here. $7 mil. So once you're good, pop this out there, and then this one is part of your grill. Love a plastic pry tool there. Voila, that's the clips that's holding your grill all the way. And then this camera there, right here. I do want to show you here. This one is just this, and that push and pull. The other side is your heater, plug heater core. See? Good. And voila. That's your bumper. Okay.